Hello, welcome back to another video, guys. In this video, working on this Dacia. It's a 2017 1.5 diesel. We've got the code 048013 low speed fan control. Now we've checked it out. It turns out it's this, and I'm going to show you exactly where it is. Obviously you don't want to drive on it if the fan doesn't work. It's located right here, guys, and there's a screw right there you take off, and you push these two in and it slides right out. So we're going to put everything back and hopefully plug it in, and from active it'll say intermittent, I guess, or memory like it says. And the original one did have some code on it, which is this here on the screen, and that's your part number. So we'll fit it in and plug it in, guys. I've plugged it in there. Everything's in, spot on as far as I can see. Now before, when we was clearing the DTC, it was not clearing, it was saying active at all times, no matter how hard you tried. So now we're getting engine control, no faults. In the past, we was not getting that. So that shows that this is working. Now, a lot of you will say that's not OEM original. I know it isn't. It was bought off Amazon, next day delivery. Everyone else was like a week to 2 wait. So far, so good. And I will...